Nograles said in an interview, "Ako ang bahala sa national as you take care of the local." Any reaction on this,
Tingnan mo
Mayor?
nangyari sa Davao. See, you were here. Okay, taga Davao. Ano nangyari? Siya daw sa national, ako sa local. What happened? During the campaign, I had to campaign for the national and local. I had to take care of them. Tinanong ko sa mga, I'm not saying that he embezzled the money. Wala yan. But hindi dumating sa akin. Paano nakita naman? The money was thrown to Kalahi. Ang Kalahi, may kandidato niya, yung anak niya doon. Hindi ko nakialang, I don't have to belabor the issue. Alam niyo yung taga Davao. Alam niyo ang nangyari. Kampanya, nakikita mo kami. Oh, where was Noglares? When the national candidates were, he was nowhere to be found. Kasi sinong hindi magalit yan? Yan, kaya walang katapusan yung ano namin. Just bickering, political bickering.